Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I am just going to be doing some experiments, casting molds with resin, but I want to try out different ways of coloring them, and I thought this would be a nice technique video as well. So here today I'm just using some Finnabair Prima molds. This one is the wings and cogs. This one is the flower queen, and as I go ahead I'll see if I need any more. I'd like some rusty cogs, and for that I'm going to be using Lindy's Tibetan Poppy Teal as well as Finnabair Liquid Acrylics in Tiger Orange, Umber and Carmine. Before I really begin mixing my resin and going forward, I'm going to just use a little oil and coat the insides of the molds, just slightly brush it so later it's easy for me to take them off. However, because I want the shimmer on a few cogs, I will not add my oil there, otherwise my dry powder is going to just become very sticky. I'm using the Raw Craft resin and hardener, which is available on Handmade India. Craft Tangles has it, and I will leave a link down below. This is to be used in the ratio of 2:1 and not equally. Before I begin mixing my resin, what I'm going to do is use my powder here, the Lindy's magical powder, and gently just dry brush a little within the molds. I'm hoping that this gives me the nice rusty shimmer from the teal. This is my first experiment with coloring them this way, so I also absolutely have no idea about my end result. Now I am going to mix some resin . And there you see the mixture of it all has given me a nice brown, which I'm hoping would be good for my rusty cogs. So I'm just going to mix this well and pour it in my molds. And I'm just going to set this aside to dry and work on a different way of coloring them, which is going to be another trial. And I think I can try it on the wings of this mold itself. It's always a good idea to work little by little because the resin really dries fast, and you don't want to end up with a dried resin in your cup before you even begin pouring them in the molds. Okay, so the molds have dried and time to demold them and see what I have here. So let's begin with the flowers. And that's a look at the yellow that we have. The shimmer isn't that noticeable, but from behind, if I bring it close, it's quite there. That's the nice frosted looking flower with a tint of the color that I have. Not bad at all. Of course, maybe I can add glitter for more shimmer, but I quite like the look because it's given me a natural look with light and dark and this matte finish to it. So those are my flowers, and let's see what happened with. So the small wings are going to be same. Oh, they are pretty. I like them. And let's look at the cogs, which still seems jelly-like, not quite fully set probably. Okay, let's take a look at this big wing here. Or maybe, okay, wow, that's a nice marbleized tinted effect. Not bad at all. So these need a little more time. Looks like they're quite jelly-like. So I'm going to leave them and then try and unmold them once they are completely dry. Okay, so I'm just here to quickly show you my cogs and gears after I unmolded them, and that's a look at the one with the shimmer, and I quite like how they look with that color, the shimmer. They may not be all rusty and they actually look like candies which we could eat, but I am very happy with the result that I've achieved with this coloring experiment. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick short video of trying a different technique and experiment, and if you like such videos, do hit the thumbs up. Like I always say, I truly appreciate your comments, so thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Until the next time, take care and bye bye.